Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arjun. So today I'm going to show you how to make a tripod by yourself. And guys, I'm not kidding. Like, look at these things. 1000 watts. 89. Okay, I might have to help me with that. Because for this project, you will only need. Wait a minute. Let's go to a table. Yep, that's right. I got also another table called a DIY table. So where was I? So for this project, you will need Fabricate, glue, or super glue. 2 packets of super glue or 1. Some cardboard and your friendly neighborhood scissors. You ask me the reason why I'm doing this again? Because my tripod, that one, is actually kind of a little bit bad and anglish. So I decided I can make a perfect one. Now let's go right. So keep the other things away from this time because we're gonna need a little space. Take a layer from the newspaper. Choose a good one because we need them really strong. Okay, now do like I do. You have to just roll them up just like this. Take an edge like this and roll them up like cylindrical. Let me show you at other angle. So take an edge, then you gotta rotate it just like this. You see, it's a little hard for me because I feel low. You gotta roll it all the way around that end. I will show you one example. Does it tap? Try using the ground. Just like this, you gotta do it like that and push it up, a little forward like this, and at the end, you have to glue it so that it won't come off. So I have the glue. You just don't let go of the end. Now just place it around here. Spread it up really much because we don't want this to get away that easy. Just spread it on all the edges because that's more important, and the bottom. Okay. Now after that, just gotta do like that. And you gotta stick it yourself. Now, make 3 of them. I have 3 of them right here, so you should make sure that it can hold. Like from an arm's weight, a low weight, just do like that and see if the thick end. Then you should cut it off. Cut it off right now. So this is the thick end. I'm gonna cut it off. So let's see this. So let's see. Okay, cut. Strong. Now other side, and do this with all the sticks. So guys, after that, the next step is to equal the side. So you see this one's bigger, you gotta equal all the sides. So let me take the scissors from there. Then you see the difference, right? So you gotta cut that part. So let me do that just a little quick. Okay, so now make sure these are the same length. That's kind of important. So mine are the same length. There. Now you just have to take a square piece of the newspaper itself. So again, a pro tip that you can also use the cylindrical one and also this one. So I'm going to use this one to cover this because it's a little more powerful. And I think you must have had these in your home of covering papers. So the next thing you're gonna do is wrap it up so that you can three things like that. Pro tip again, you can also use a solo tape. And guys, now the step to see that can it stand on its own. Let's see now. Alright guys, so mine is standing pretty good. And I think I should tie it a little more with solo tape right now. So let's see after that. So guys, I little duct taped it and it ended. So this is the final touch. And now we have to arrange the phone holder by using the cardboard. Let's get right into that. So I cut out the cardboard and I now have this. So this had a layer, so I pretty much choose this. Now we need this part where the Superglue comes, and we have to take a layer like this to hold the phone. So guys, I realized I could stick them both together so that it would be more stronger. So this is the part where our Superglue comes in. So I got the Superglue here. And kids under the age of like 9, please please ask your parents before using it. Fall on my hands because it has, and it's really dangerous and it's really hard to get off. Okay, now I'm gonna stick both of them like. When I show this finger, I recommend that we should actually go for 1 minute or something because this should dry up. Then we should stick to the cardboard. This is the phone holder. Okay guys, 1 minute has passed, so now it means that I should stick it to the phone holder, full case holder, whatever you call it. Let's stick it. Pro tip, you can actually hold it for like 1 minute so that it stays really good. So there's my tripod, so good. Now you just gotta stick it under the other super glue and let's stick it. Tape actually might not stick to it, so you gotta leave for like 2 minutes and take some water break or something like that. Even though it's super glue, you might not even know it. So just add some more super glue just to make sure that it stays. And do not try it on expensive phones. By the way, I put a disclaimer in the first, so please don't put expensive phones. Okay, just please don't, and don't use cameras. I have to say that the second one actually a little bit kind of tilted, but if you do it right, you got it right. Comment below if you guys actually do right and actually successfully made it to tripod, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios amigos.